A girl's got to have her coffee, okay? Are you coming? Welcome back to another daily vlog. This is the evolution of tea. My name is Tanisha, but my friends call me T. If you like health, wellness, self-care, and beauty, then stick around because on this channel, we help women 40 plus take care of themselves first so they have more to give back to others. Today, we're going to go do a little grocery shopping because the refrigerator is getting low. The things in there are not enough to make meals, and I'm running out of my oat milk for my latte. A girl's got to have her coffee, okay? That's important. So let's go stock up on a few items from Trader Joe's, and then we'll come back here and do a little meal prep for the remainder of the week. I really like to do meal prep on Sundays. I feel like it sets me up for success. I'm not like struggling to go find something to eat, stopping at fast food restaurants, or just grabbing junk from my refrigerator. So this is a great way to really get yourself set up for the week. So if you struggle with eating and you are a girly or a guy who's like, oh, I just need to go grab something. Let me go to McDonald's. Let me go wherever it is, whatever your guilty pleasure is, or whatever is quick and convenient for you, then I highly suggest that you take some time to go grocery shopping and do a little meal prep. And it doesn't have to be extensive. It doesn't have to be difficult. And I'm going to show you today that meal prep can be very, very easy. All right. So let's get out of here. Before we go, I wanted to share my outfit of the day. This shirt is a white t-shirt with a drop slot. with a drop sleeve. And I got this shirt from Arrange through ASOS. The brand is Arrange, and I got it from ASOS. And then hold on. I'm going to wear these Steve Madden Hermes like dupes sandals. I don't know. I have a love-hate relationship with these shoes, but I think I'm going to put them on because they're like, cool, easy, breezy. But they make the weirdest sounds. Like it has this like divot. It's not a flat shoe and it's like, I don't know. It just makes weird sounds when I walk, and I'm always like, oh my God, why did I wear these shoes? But we're going to wear them. Okay. We're going to wear our things. So let's head to Trader Joe's and get this day started. Right. Come on, y'all. Come on. Are you coming? All right, we are back from the grocery store. I am going to do a little Trader Joe's haul and show you everything that I got. Every Sunday, I like to go to Trader Joe's and get everything that I'm going to need for the week. So I do some meal prepping and planning of my meals very early on. So I have everything that I need. I got this shrimp for, I have a chow mein dish, a shrimp chow mein that is already pre-made from Trader Joe's. And I'm just going to add a little more protein to it. Tonight, I think we're going to meal prep this ground beef. I have 85/15 because I like it not so lean. And I also got some salmon, which I'm going to make some salmon bowls because my daughter is pescatarian, the shrimp. And I also got the salmon, and then I also got these fish nuggets, which I'm going to make some fish tacos with later on this week. Some of my other staples are like cucumbers. We put cucumbers in a lot of things. With the salmon this week, I'm going to make a salmon bowl. So we're going to use some of the cucumbers. I also got some edamame, which I can use for snacking and also to add to the salmon bowls. I got some fruit, some more blueberries. I usually get strawberries, but this time I opted to get some raspberries just to switch it up and have a different vegetable, have a different fruit. And then I got some bananas again to snack on and also to use in the chia seed pudding. As mentioned yesterday, Old Faithful, this is something that I have in my refrigerator every week. I cannot live without it. I use it for my iced lattes that I make every week or every day, I should say. And then I use it for my chia seed pudding that I make every week. I had seen these pickled red onions. I usually like to make my own red onion like pickled dish, but I haven't made it in a while. So I was like, oh, I'll pick these up. And some of my old faithfuls that I got are, I wouldn't even say old. I feel like these are kind of new. I've only had these, I got these last week, but these are so good. They're the Carolina Gold barbecue chips. Have you even had the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce from Trader Joe's? That is really delicious, and these chips are top tier. So this is my second week getting them, and I probably will be getting them again. I don't know. I have a feeling that they may be seasonal, like a summer item. So as long as they have them, I'm gonna keep getting them. I am a sucker. Repeat. I am a sucker for a good chip. I love potato chips. I could snack on potato chips all day. Um, these are the fried shallot. These are absolutely delicious. It's like a fried onion ring. Y'all remember that arugula salad that I told you has me in a chokehold? Well, I put this on top of the arugula salad and top 10, top 10, right? It is so good, right? And then again, I got some red pepper flakes. I used that on everything. I was running out of them. And another thing that I picked up, I usually pass on these. I see these heirloom tomatoes in Trader Joe's, and I usually kind of like walk by them. But I picked some up last week, and they were really good. We used them in salads. My daughter ate them by themselves with just some salt and pepper and balsamic vinegar. So these were really good. I had to pick them up again. So let's get into this meal prep. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put these items together to make some meals, and then we will do some meal prep. All right. All right, friends, so we just finished meal prepping my sweet potato taco bowl. So here it is. It looks so delicious. I showed you all how to make this. So right before this, you'll see a full video of how I made this dish, and hopefully you'll try it too. We are done with our meal prep. We've restocked the fridge, and now we are going to sit down and relax and enjoy the day. So I hope you enjoyed this video on my Trader Joe's restock and how I meal prep for the week. And let me know what you're doing to stay on track and make sure you're maintaining your goals, whatever it is. Maybe it's health, maybe it's self-care, maybe it's weight loss. So just let me know how you are maintaining. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.